Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to the 2016 JEE Mains Physics question paper, question 23. Now, we know that the answer cannot be the NOT gate. I'll just draw a small portion of each of these. Something like this. B is... I'm not drawing it completely accurately. A would be something like this, and X would be like this. So obviously, since we are taking four numbers, it cannot be NOT. NOT can only take one number. You can take two numbers and AND them or them, and you can take the result of that with the third number. So A and B and C, A or B or C makes sense, but A not B not C does not really make sense. Between the other three, we can just put in the values in C. We know that it cannot be AND because there are many regions where all of them are not true. For example, if you take the last region, only A is true, the other three are not true. Right? Actually, if you look at the figure, C is also true. It goes like this. So two of them are true, but two of them are false. So you cannot have the AND of four of them being true. It would be false. So it cannot be AND. It cannot also be not of AND because here all of them are 0. So if X was NAND of these four things, then it would be 1 here. It actually is OR because you can see at every point other than the initial point, either one of the four is non-zero. So initially this is non-zero. Then you have this being non-zero. You have this being non-zero again, this being non-zero, and finally this. So at all points, one of these four is non-zero, which means X gives the value true, which means this is option 3. There's no way to see this rigorously. We just need to put in the options and see. Question 24 is also quite concept based. We know what amplitude modulation is. In that the amplitude of the high frequency carrier wave is made to vary in proportion to the amplitude of the audio signal. So the answer is option 1. This is a straightforward concept based question. That is the definition of amplitude modulation. This completes the solutions. Thank you.